Hello, welcome back to Vega channel, and right now we're going to do is basically just going to look for a way for someone who is a beginner that doesn't know any type of way of coding or any type of function basically. So this is a way for someone who wants to get the basic knowledge and wants to get it for free to learn this method. So right now I'm going to search up W3 schools. And basically, little facts about this website is really helpful for me and for someone who is a beginner. So right here, I'm going to show you something like example HTML, which is helpful. So I'm trying this, and let's just do an example. Welcome, welcome back. And so if we run it, it's just going to show you like what we change. And also you can save it. Save. Let's go. It will show you right here. You need to run it. So basically, this is the easy way and free. And also you can do it right here. Save it into the Google Drive. Load from Google Drive. Also change the dark theme right here. Right there. This is really cool. So we can go home. And if we want to learn JavaScript, SQL, there's more option to it. So if we go right here, right here is Python, learn R, right here is certain things, which is kind of cool, and also learn about AI. So right here you can just learn and just like learn the basic stuff. So right here say, oh, click me to display the title. Look, it will show you how to do that. Right here is JavaScript. We run it. There, if we change it, we just like, let me see. We change this. Here we won't change. So, let's do this. Basically change. And right here say, right here is just like HTML. Once again, this is JavaScript, but have kind of HTML. So we can go home, show you more. And if we say learn, then we'll put next. Right here, show you this. I show you how to do it basically. So right here is really fun for someone who doesn't know how to do it, how to do the basic stuff of coding. Other website that I most likely use is this one. This one is just like basically free. You just need to sign up. I use my Gmail account, the Google account. So right here is the solo learn. Now I'll provide this into in the link below, and also would put in my bio as well for anyone who is interested of learning the basic stuff. So right here is Python, C++. Let's just do an example. Let's see, C#. Okay, let's see. Okay, right here. So So basically it will show you a quiz, and right here there's comment, which some people comment, and also different language, of course, and also right here you can see it, and there's some people that will help you learn more about it, which is kind of cool. So we continue. Okay, this is wrong. Here, try is wrong. Retry. This is way to wait for someone to learn. Right there. And continue. Then it will show you this. And we leave. So basically it will show you some things, and also you can do it like right here, multiple choice, method. Also they give you a certificate, which showing you that you accomplish. And right here's the code playground, which you can see other people, their code, and how they created this. For example, if we want to see Cube 3D, how someone did this, it will show you. Let's just run it. Okay, for example, if we do 2.
Thank you for watching, and give a like if you want to see more video recommending anyone that want to learn how to code. Also, if this video get 48 likes, we'll do video watching TikTok video programming. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the family and share the video.